Hello, everyone. One of the best parts of attending ATD is discovering what's new and trending in our field. I can't wait to share some exciting insights with you. First up, AI in content creation. Imagine turning your text into engaging videos with avatars in a flash. Tools like Articulate 360 and Synthesia are making this a reality, speeding up our content production. In the July 2024 Talent Development magazine, I read about a company that slashed its content creation time by 30% using AI. Amazing, right? I'll let you in on a little secret. From writing down my thoughts to screen design to this final video took me less than 2 hours thanks to AI. Sure, I traded a bit of quality for speed, especially in my cloned voice, but it's better than drowning in an unmanageable to-do list. What do you think? Is the trade-off in quality worth the gains in speed? Let me know. Next, let's talk LMS. AI is revolutionizing how we manage our learning management systems by automatically scanning and tagging course content. This means better searchability and organization for everyone. AI-powered assistants and bots are now our learning concierges, offering interactive and immersive experiences. Think scenario-based modules, conversational interfaces, and real-time support, all personalized just for you. AI is also fantastic for assessing learner skills and creating personalized learning paths. Tailored to individual roles and career goals, this boosts engagement, relevance, and tracks progress like never before. We can now foster collaborative learning environments with immersive experiences and enhanced problem solving. AI-facilitated discussions and real-time feedback loops keep the learning dynamic and continuous. Micro-learning delivers bite-sized, focused lessons that fit into busy schedules and hone in on specific objectives. Pair that with spaced repetition, where AI schedules optimal review times based on your learning patterns, and you've got a recipe for long-term retention and mastery. Lastly, let's talk digital credentials. AI-powered digital badges are revolutionizing how we validate skills and competencies. Role-specific certifications align credentials with job requirements, and blockchain technology ensures secure, tamper-proof records. Dynamic skill profiles give real-time visibility into an individual's competencies. If you are using AI, skill-based learning, or personalized learning paths, I'd love to hear about them. Thanks for joining me on this quick tour of the latest trends from ATD 2024. Let's embrace these innovations and take our learning and development game to the next level.